precinct.
742.
742.
Subject outside of Dart headquarters recording all the vehicles in the parking lot.
He advised you in the parking lot at police headquarters, and what do you have?
10-4. White male subject. He got a mask on his face like he got Ebola. He recording everybody. Even the personal cars of Dart employees.
We see advised if you have cover out with you.
Yeah, we out here. Myself and Corporal Lindsay.
Your name?
Yours?
Your name and your badge
742-901, showing you out with the subject.
What's yours?
Your name and your badge number, please.
What's yours? You need some help?
No, I don't need help. I didn't ask for help.
Get out my face.
Do you have an actual
get out.
You better.
I'm running around.
I can't breathe. Please, the name of it.
I'm sorry, repeat.
I can't breathe shit.
You gonna let him
You don't slap people around.
Huh? Bro, he's not even
I'm not resisting.
now, bro.
Stop hurting me.
Relax.
I can't. You're on top of me, and you're hurting my neck.
Relax.
I can't. You're hurting my neck.
Relax.
I can't when you're on top of me, putting your knee in me. I'm disabled. Stop it.
His nose is bleeding.
Stop it.
That's wrong right there.
Get off of me.
How long y'all gotta hold him down?
Get off of me. And I'll get up. You can put cuffs on me.
Nah, y'all don't gotta put
Get off.
charges.
I can't breathe.
You could have fucking put him in
Get
the
out.
car by now, bro. He's not
Get out.
resisting arrest or nothing.
Yeah, we out here. Myself and Corporal Lindsay.
Your name?
Yours?
Your name and your badge number?
742-901, showing you out with the subject.
What's yours?
Your name and your badge number, please.
What's yours? You need some help?
No, I don't need help. I didn't ask for help.
Get out my face.
Do you have an actual
You better.
I'm running around. They made contact
Y'all
with
don't
me.
slap a disabled man.
I'm sorry, repeat.
You don't slap people around. I'm not resisting. Stop hurting me.
Relax.
I can't. You're on top of me, and you're hurting my neck.
Relax.
Can't. You're hurting my neck.
Relax.
I can't when you're on top of me, putting your knee in me. I'm disabled. Stop it. Stop it.
Get out of his back.
Get off of me.
Put that on him.
Get off of me. And I'll get up and you can put cuffs on me. Get off. I can't breathe.
Back here.
Get off.
I ain't on his back.
Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off.
Put your hand behind your back.
I can't.
Okay, put your hand
Get
behind
off
your back.
my back and I can do it. Get off my back and I
Just relax.
will.
Relax.
I can't.
Relax.
Can't breathe. Help. Help.
Relax.
Get off of me. Help. Get off of me. I can't breathe.
Relax.
I can't breathe.
Relax.
I can't breathe. Help me, please. Help me. I've got a injured arm. Don't put the left arm back. I can't breathe. Help!
Sit him up.
Help!
No, no, no.
Help! Help! Help!
320, you copy?
Yeah, we out here. Myself and Pope Lindsay.
Your name?
Yours?
Your name and your badge
742-901, showing you out with the subject.
What's yours?
Your name and your badge number, please.
What's yours? You need some help?
No, I don't need
Go ahead.
help. I didn't ask for help.
Get out my face.
Do you have a actual
Get out of
You
here.
better.
How's on him, Rob? They made contact
Yo,
with him
don't
and
slap
showed
a
they vouched
disabled
him
man.
for exact location. I'm sorry, repeat.
You don't slap people around. I'm not resisting. Stop hurting me.
Relax.
I can't. You're on top of me and you're hurting my neck.
Relax.
I can't. You're hurting my neck.
Relax.
I can't when you're on top of me, putting your knee in me. I'm disabled. Stop it. Stop it. Get off of me.
Put that on him.
Get off of me. And I'll get up and you can put cuffs on me. Get off. I can't breathe. Get off.
I ain't on his back.
Get off.
Oh, he hot. He hot. Okay, what's his name?
We don't know. He won't.
Oh, he still ain't said his name. Okay. Sir? Come on, stand up. We need you to stand on up, okay? You need some help getting up. Do you need some help getting up?
Stop and leave me alone like I've said numerous times. I'll get up. I was in the process of getting up and they grabbed my bad shoulder again.
Sorry.
What do you not understand English, any of you?
I don't think you're
Do any of
understanding.
you understand English?
So what do we need to do to get you up?
Don't touch me and let me get up.
Okay, but you're touching one of our officers.
You said what?
You're leaning up against one of our officers.
I know.
So have you ever thought that you might be hurting him?
He's the one that came up and did that. I didn't ask him for it.
Okay, can you sit up and get off of him, please?
Okay, go ahead and stand up.
Okay. So you don't want us to help you. You don't want us to help you. Okay, so you don't want us to touch you.
Injuring me.
Okay.
Don't know how clear I can be than that. Numerous times in English. Wenn ich was wissen willst, musst du erst geraucht sein.
Okay. You sure you don't need any help?
Not from y'all.
Okay. Okay. Here. Hold on. Let's search him first.
Spread your feet for me, sir. Further. Further. Microphone.
Push on the left arm.
We'll spread them. Spread your feet a little bit more. Face forward.
Don't touch the
Face
left
forward.
arm. God
Then
damn
face
it, don't
forward.
you understand English? So you push the left arm. That's my nuts. My nuts have nothing on them.
Okay, sir.
We gotta search you, man.
Ow! God damn it. You don't have to squeeze my nuts.
Sir, we have to search you, okay?
You don't have to injure me.
Okay.
Hey, come on. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to take pictures of a building the architectural part of the building and
Yeah, but the
sign.
way you were taking pictures was not the architectural way. I followed you for all the way around the building.
So what did I do that's illegal?
The only thing you did illegal was you made contact with it.
I didn't make contact with you.
Other than that, listen to me. Let me talk for a minute. Everything that you did was good. Nobody had anything, but then if you're taking architectural pictures of the building, you had no reason to take pictures of a license plate.
Is that against the law?
Okay, so if somebody
Is it against the law, yes or no?
Somebody walk up to your
Is
car
it against
and
the
take
law, yes or no?
It is.
It is not against the law. You
Okay.
just lied.
Okay.
YIOTLINE.
Okay.
YIOTLINE, YIOTLINE.
So if we go up there and walk up to your car and take pictures of your license plate, you wouldn't feel offended by that.
Y'all do it all the time.
Who are y'all?
Police.
When?
Driving around, your video there, taking pictures.
Now, the only video comes on the time when they make a traffic stop. So, what is your last name? This is your car right here, correct?
I've asked for an attorney.
Okay, we don't need an attorney right now.
I do.
Okay, no, not right now.
I
you
do.
don't, because right now you're only being detained. You're not under arrest. You're only being detained.
Well, they